I'm not care about other world, but here in Japan, we know their pronunciation has some limitations. Okay, it's fine, but for calling other, they should care more. Here are some countries named according to Japanese accent. Please don't say to me some odd word. I'm not responsible for it. So I'm calling that the worst pronunciation. So please raise your hand for making good sound of your motherland. Ukraine. In Japan here calling Ukraina. What's the sound of that one? Ukraina. Igirisu. The England. Igirisu. Germany. Doesu. The name here. India. Indo. Bangladesh. Bangladesho. Mongolia. Mongoru. Korea. Hankoku. China. Chugoku. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Brazil. Brasilia. What's the sound that one? So please make a comment as which sound is more odds or very odds. And raise your hand again for making a good correction in Japan. Thank you.